Good morning. Welcome to your 10 a.m. daily weather briefing. We have some pleasant conditions out there this morning, and I see mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies today. But we see an increase of cloud cover overnight with some increase of upper level cloudiness across the region. Overall, today will be seasonable, temperatures in the mid 60s across the region. Yesterday, we saw temperatures warming briefly in the morning before we saw temperatures falling in the afternoon with the cold front and cold air moving in during the afternoon. Norfolk was the warmest at 77 degrees yesterday, Salisbury at 72. Washington, D.C. was at 75. Here at Wallops, we are at 70. Across the region last night, we did have that dry air mass move into the region. That gave us some cooler temperatures for overnight lows, more towards seasonable averages. Langley at 41 degrees, that was a cool spot. Here at Wallops, we were 46. Saw some precipitation after the 12Z time frame in the morning yesterday. And Dover was the most at 21 hundredths, and that was mostly confined to the central and northern portions of the Mid-Atlantic region yesterday. As of 9 a.m., we are seeing anywhere from mostly cloudy to mostly sunny skies in general, seeing some sunny skies across the Tidewater, mostly cloudy across the northern and western portions of the Mid-Atlantic region. Here at Wallops, we saw 55 degrees with mostly cloudy skies, primarily in the upper levels. Looking at our 12Z sounding from this morning, our freezing level is at 9,300 feet. Winds out of the northwest at 24 knots in the low levels, and continuing to increase as we move up in the mid levels at 47 knots at 12,000 feet. And we see a max wind this morning at 25,000 feet out of the northwest or west northwest at 75 knots. Looking at our 12Z surface analysis this morning, we have some, as I mentioned, higher level cloud cover across the region as a high pressure builds into the area. A little bit breezy this morning as the pressure gradient is still slightly tight across the region. As the area high pressure builds in this afternoon, we should see our winds turn more southwesterly and be not quite as gusty. We're seeing this morning with some gusts in the lower 20s. Looking at our infrared satellite imagery from our GO-16 satellite, you can see the higher level cloud cover streaming over the Appalachian Mountains across the Mid-Atlantic region this morning. We continue to see these higher level cloud cover and mostly sunny conditions will build in for the afternoon hours as we'll see VFR conditions throughout today. Looking at our observations as well as our infrared satellite, you can see we have northwesterly flow this morning. Temperatures in the warming into the mid-50s. We'll see temperatures continue to warm in the mid-60s today with a dry air mass in place. Looking at our prog charts the next few days, here's our Tuesday midday planning. You can see the high pressure builds off the southeast coast to allow for return flow or southwesterly flow across our region for the afternoon hours. Then tonight we'll see a boundary start to move towards the region as a backdoor cold front that'll move through during our Wednesday afternoon just before our Antares launch window. See this cold front south of the region by Wednesday afternoon. It will move through the area around 1 to 2 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, and that'll provide us with northeasterly flow to east-northeasterly flow after that boundary moves through, and could see a little bit of gusty onshore flow in the afternoon as that boundary passes just south of the region and an area high pressure builds in from the north. Overall, looking like a very nice setup for our possible Antares launch on Wednesday. And then Thursday, we'll have an area low pressure starting to develop across the Great Lakes. We'll have this frontal boundary that was a cold front return as a warm front Thursday morning. We'll have southerly flow on Thursday, warmer conditions, and in general, partly cloudy to mostly sunny skies for Thursday before this cold front moves through on Friday into Friday evening as a strong cold front and possible showers and thunderstorms across the region. Our prog chart for the day, our risk chart for the day, will have green conditions across the board. No chances of precipitation or lightning. Winds will be well under 25 knots. Seeing our breeziest conditions this morning. A gust near 17 to 18 knots. Temperature will be about 65 degrees today for a high. Into the lower to mid 50s tonight for lows. 53 degrees expected for our low. And seeing our winds die down as well during the overnight time period. We'll have VFR conditions throughout today with a primarily our cloud cover will be in the upper levels across the region. Then tonight we'll see a little bit more mid and lower level cloud cover build in. Wednesday 8 a.m. we're seeing a few at 4,000 scattered at 7, and then 2 broken decks in the upper levels with some cirrus. Our tides are currently normal. Looking at Wednesday into Thursday, Wednesday will be partly sunny and seasonable, slightly breezy onshore winds by the afternoon with cooler temperatures due to those onshore breezes. We'll see a high of 68 before temperatures falling into lower 60s, even possibly seeing some upper 50s right along the coastline with that backdoor cold front moving through during the afternoon hours. And then Wednesday night we'll see partly to mostly cloudy skies, mild temperatures, low of 54. And for Thursday we'll see partly cloudy skies, warm temperatures and breezy conditions, a high of 71, and we'll have a yellow for our winds near 25 knots during the afternoon on Thursday. And then our next 7 days we'll stay above normal throughout the time period. Our normal temperature right now is around 65 degrees for a high. Should seeing those temperatures at or above that for now through the next 7 days. 65 today, 68 on Wednesday, 71 on Thursday. And then our next weather maker will come through as a strong cold front moves through the region Friday night into Saturday. Could be seeing another setup for some severe weather across the Delmarva Peninsula Friday night into Saturdays. We'll have strong dynamics as well as warmer and more humid air across the region, so we'll be keeping an eye on that one. And then Saturday we'll just see those showers possibly lingering in the early morning hours before we'll see clearing during the afternoon on Saturday and breezy conditions, high of 69 degrees. Sunday we'll see a upper level trough moving through the region that could provide us with a few light rain showers in the morning on Sunday for your Easter, but overall should be a very nice day. Temperatures in the mid 60s with those chances of showers in the morning and slightly breezy conditions in the afternoon on Sunday. And then Monday it looks like we'll have another very unseasonably warm day. Temperatures in the mid 70s. Some models are putting out temperatures in the upper 70s on next Monday, so looking like we'll have warm conditions for Monday and Tuesday of next week before we'll have another system move through to cool our temperatures back towards more seasonable averages. That's going to complete our 10 a.m. weather briefing this morning. I hope everybody has a great day. We'll be covering the Antares launch tomorrow, and I hope everybody has a wonderful time period watching Antares fly tomorrow. We'll be back either tomorrow morning or Thursday morning at 8:15 and at 10 a.m.